Hello everyone. Today I will be doing a review of the Wizard XF1000 instant camera. This camera was made in 1970 and was the first non-Polaroid branded instant camera to use Polaroid branded film. The camera itself costs about $50 refurbished. The dimensions are about 6 by 4 by 3 inches. This particular camera came with a really nice black leather carrying case and about a 4-foot carrying strap, which had a small flash bar attachment on the inside. Now, when we open up the casing, we can see the camera and the flash bar attachment. This particular camera model, as stated before, uses Polaroid branded film, specifically the SX76 variant, which I'm showing you now. This film is not included in the camera, and 8-pack costs around $20. They can most easily be bought off of online retailers such as Amazon and eBay. Now, when we take the camera out, we can see that it has a distinct box shape that makes it easy to hold. We can see a small viewfinder in the top right corner, which you can look through to get a preview of the image before taking the photo with the button on the top right edge. The photo should be ejected cleanly out of the front of the camera, where you then have to wait 15 minutes for the film to develop. The slot that is located on the top front side of the camera is where the flash bar attachment goes. Without the flash bar, the camera cannot take any flash photos, and the flash bar itself can only be used 10 times before needing to be replaced. Replacements can also be bought off of Amazon. The lens at the front is a plastic lens which has to be manually adjusted depending on the distance between it and the subject of the photo. The lens has labels for distances and can be rotated accordingly. Finally, the rotating dial located in the front is used to measure the amount of light that enters the lens. Now it's time to test it out. Overall, this camera is really great for people who want to go for that classic vintage look on good size film. For a camera like this, you aren't getting the best quality photos out there in terms of fidelity. Not to mention the film being so expensive can be a real turnoff for many people. However, for people who are enticed by the idea of instant photography, to take a photo and get a physical photo within minutes, this is a wonderful introductory camera. It's easy to hold and use and provides all the basics for people who are trying to get into the genre. Thank you for watching and have a great day.